In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert timers in Google Slides. This is a simple way to add a visible countdown to a slide so your audience can track time during an activity, a break, or a time discussion. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation and going to the slide where you want the timer to appear. At the top of the screen, click the Insert menu. From the Insert options, choose Video. This is important because Google Slides does not have a built-in timer tool, but you can display a timer by inserting a timer video directly onto your slide. A window will open that lets you search for videos. In the search bar, type in a timer length that matches what you need, such as 5-minute timer. You can also search for other lengths, like 1 minute, 10 minutes, or any time that fits your presentation. After you search, you will see a list of results. Take a moment to pick a timer video that looks clear and easy to read, especially if it will be viewed on a projector or shared on a video call. Once you have found the timer video you want, click to select it, then choose Insert. The video will appear on your slide. At this point, you can click and drag the corners of the video to resize it. Make sure you drag from a corner so it stays proportional and does not look stretched. Then click and drag the video to position it where you want on the slide. For example, you might place it in a corner so it does not cover your main content, or center it if the timer is the main focus. Next, set how the timer will play. Click the video on the slide so it is selected. On the right side, open Format options, then find and open Video Playback. Here, choose whether the video should play on click or play automatically. Use Play on Click if you want to start the timer manually during your presentation. Use Play automatically if you want it to begin as soon as you arrive on that slide. After that, your timer is ready. When you present, the timer video will play based on the playback option you selected, helping you keep the session on schedule. And that is all there is to it.